everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn about the pooling layers. So in CNN, pooling layers is a very crucial part. So the pooling operation involves sliding a two-dimensional filter over each channel of feature map and summarizing the features lying within the region covered by the filter. So for a feature map having dimensions NH cross NW and NC, the dimensions of the output obtained after a pooling layer is nh minus f plus 1 divided by s, and it multiplies by nw minus f plus 1 by s, and this multiplied by nc, where nh height of the feature map, nw width of the feature map, nc number of the channels in the feature map, and f defines the size of the filter, and s defines the stride length. And after that, we why we use the pooling layers. So pooling layers are used to reduce the dimension of the feature maps, thus it reduces the number of parameters to learn and the amount of computation performed in the network. And the pooling layer summarizes the features present in a region of the feature map generated by a convolution layer. So further operations are performed on summarized features instead of precisely positioned features generated by the convolution layer. This makes the model more robust to variations in the position of the features in the input image. So various pooling layers are there. So max pooling layer, they are max pooling, average pooling, and global pooling. So here we implement some defining some input image, and after that we define the model containing just a single max pooling layer, and basically we define here max pooling 2D, and we import it from keras library, from keras.layers we import it, and after that we just implement the max pooling 2D, and pool size we take 2 and stride is 2, as we saw before. So we generate pooled output image, and model.predict with the model.predict, and we in this last line we basically print the output of the image. So here we see our output, and after that the average pooling part, we same here we do some importing part, some libraries from some libraries, necessary libraries, and after that we again we do average pooling 2D we use here, and after that we just predict and get our output, desired output. And global pooling is also we do same here. We do here just some sort of extension that we import the global max pooling 2D from keras.layers, and global average max pooling 2D from keras.layers, because it's necessary to define in our model for global max pooling layer. So we do here with the same as previous, and we do predict. After that we basically print out our image. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you.